A girl coming from Bengal has no idea of a language called Marathi. पुणे के रास्तों में पैम्पलेट भी बांटा है। एक टाइट से कपड़ों में अपने आप को फंसा देना पड़ता है, आपको हील्स भी पहनने पड़ते हैं, आपको हेयर एंड मेकअप ऑन पॉइंट भी चाहिए होता है, एंड यू हैव टू टॉक ऑल्सो। I belong from Calcutta and there's a culture of students only doing CA or CS. अगर आप कुछ और कर रहे हो अपनी ज़िंदगी में तो you will look down upon. So I told them that after being a CA, how much ever you will earn, I make double of it. And today here I am. Started doing paging announcements for Central Mall during their sale period. It was 400 rupees a day. So I got that knack of how to talk and how to modulate your voice and कैसे बात करना है. I have given pamphlets on the roads. I've done cheerleading as well. ऐसी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but मेरे में हमेशा ऐसा था ट्राई करके देखेंगे. I read a lot of books. In a week, I watch 2 English series. I love reading newspapers. I make sure that I read it aloud so that I can hear my own voice, and that is a kind of practice that I try to do it 4-5 times a week. So when I started doing events, my biggest fear was heels पहन के कैसे क्या कर लूँगी. जब मैं नई heels पहनना चालू की थी, I thought I'm just stooping down. Everything is just rock and roll. I used to feel like that. Someone told me that I won't be visible on the stage because you are so short. अब तू कितने दिन नहीं करने वाली है, कितने दिन से चलेगा. मतलब there's always a particular age. Till then you can do anchoring or you can do stage shows. So whenever I have events or shows, my husband makes sure that he is taking care of everything. Or whenever he is busy, I make sure that I am taking care of everything. Or otherwise, हम दोनों जब busy है तो my in-laws are making sure that they are taking care of everything. So that way, I am very much blessed with a very good family. In Corona, it was a very, very, very tough time for all of us. They faced a very bad time. And the time is still going on. It's been 1.5 years. We are not working the way we used to work or the way we used to get paid also. अभी लग रहा था यार थोड़ा कुछ कर लिया होता तो अच्छा होता. But हाँ जैसे थोड़ा मार्केट अब खुल रहा है लग रहा था कि नहीं ठीक है, अब यही ठीक है. I'm very happy with it. We have sacrificed almost all our weekends. 31st December we are working. Birthdays I'm working. Christmas we are working. Holi, that's my favorite festival, I'm working. But I'm happy with it. I've worked with a lot of celebrities. I've interviewed a lot of celebrities. I have come on television as well. When you're up on the stage and you are only looking at the crowd जहाँ हज़ारों लोग सिर्फ आपको देख रहे हैं, आपकी बातों पे वो जवाब दे रहे हैं, आपकी बातों पे वो नाच रहे हैं, कूद रहे हैं, they are having the best time of their life. I think that this is one of the biggest achievement. We are up on the stage. कभी होता है when the audience is very ठंडा, I don't know why. So we talk, we interact, and they are all only looking at us. एक इवेंट में हर कुछ स्मूथली नहीं होता है. There are a lot of goof-ups, and everything depends on an anchor to balance, to manage, and to make it look कि पता ही नहीं चले ऑडियंस को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ भी था. तो लोग बोलते ना मैं एंकर हूँ, तो हमने स्कूल में बहुत कुछ किया है, ये ड्रामा में पार्ट किया है, वो ड्रामा में पार्ट लिया. मैंने कोई ड्रामा में पार्ट नहीं लिया है. मैं कभी भी स्कूल के स्टेज में चढ़ी भी नहीं हूँ. डायरेक्टली मैंने अभी इवेंट्स करने चालू कर दिए हैं. स्कूल में मुझे कोई ऐसे नहीं जानता था ओ शी इज़ सच अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन और अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन. मुझे बोलते भी हैं दैट योर जॉब इज़ सो ईजी. तुम क्या करती हो, 2 घंटे बाद ही तो करती हो, पैसे लेके आती हो. आवर वर्क इज़ सो डिफिकल्ट. इफ यू थिंक इट इज़ सो ईजी, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई दैट? Just come on the stage, get on the stage, talk to 2 people, करके दिखाओ मुझे जहाँ तुम हज़ारों लोग तुम्हारे तरफ देख रहे हैं, and you have to balance everything. Patience is very important. These days, millennials, the young people, they get bored of things very fast. अभी ये भी कर लिया, कल वो भी कर लिया, ये भी कर लिया, मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा. You have to observe your strengths, your weaknesses. You have to observe the market wherever you're trying to put your foot in. Whatever you do in your life, you have to love your work. This anchor, Kritika Ganjudhar, She will do the entire event without looking at any of the cue cards. She will take big names with the designation. So I really look up to her, and I wish I can become something like her.